Welcome. Take a moment to relax your body. Find a comfortable seat. You can sit upright on a chair or on a pillow. You can lie down. Just make yourself comfortable. Just for a moment, pay attention to your body. Begin to notice your breathing. Feel your breath rise and your breath fall. Allow this to happen in its own natural, comfortable rhythm. So begin to pay attention to your body. Just allow any tension in your face or your jaw to relax, to soften. Let the worry just erase from your eyes, from your mind, just dissolving, flowing down through your body, melting away. Just allow your shoulders to relax. Let your arms feel heavy. And if you're sitting upright, just sway a little bit back and forth until you find a comfortable, natural, balanced position for your spine. As your body begins to soften, to relax, begin to releasing any unnecessary tension, allowing any pain or discomfort to dissolve, to dissipate. Just feel your breath rise and fall. Bring your awareness to your belly, to your abdomen. With your next inhale, let your belly inflate, expanding as you inhale, and contract and squeeze lightly as you exhale. Begin to connect your breath into your belly, letting your belly expand lightly as you inhale and contract lightly as you exhale. Finding the slow, natural rhythm of your own breath. Allowing the abdomen to engage your breathing through your diaphragm. Just bring your awareness, connecting your breath into your body. Just allowing your belly to expand, pulling the air in, and the belly to squeeze lightly, squeezing the breath out. And just notice how the more aware of your breathing you become, the more relaxed your body begins to feel. Feel how the muscles are softening and letting go of any stress or any tension, any worries or concerns. Feel your body just softening and relaxing into this moment. Connecting your awareness, your mind, to your breathing. Connecting your breathing into your belly. Just continue to feel the expansion and contraction, the filling of the breath and the release. Let your belly expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale, using the slow, rhythmic, natural breath, the breathing the way that you were born to breathe, as a baby, as an infant, at rest, at peace, safe and calm, with the company of your breath. Inhale and let your breath expand and contract as you exhale. Let the belly fill and then lightly squeeze, finding your own natural rhythm for slow, relaxed abdominal breathing. Breathing gently in through the nose and out through the nose. Slow, steady, rhythmic inhale and exhale. Feel yourself connected to this moment. The mind is calm. The body is relaxed. Feeling at peace. Balanced, neutral emotions. Connecting your breath into the belly. Just continue to be aware of that expansion in the abdomen and the contraction as you exhale. Inhaling through the nose and out through the nose. Gentle, rhythmic, natural breathing. It's releasing any tension or stress. Feeling more and more relaxed. Almost forget that your mind is thinking. And just connect your thoughts into your belly, into your breath. And as you become more and more relaxed, your body begins to repair itself. The mind begins to repair and heal. And just releasing anything that's no longer serving you. And drawing in fresh, radiant, vibrant energy and oxygen with each breath. Feeling the breath in the belly. Inhale as the abdomen expands. Exhale as you squeeze lightly into the belly to release. feeling more and more peaceful, more and more relaxed. Just being in the moment. Bring your awareness to your belly, this expansion and contraction, the ebb and the flow, the rise and the fall. Just connect your thoughts, your mind, to your belly, to your body connecting to the breath, and the breath soothing your mind, calming your nerves. Just feel everything settling into place, everything smooth and easy, life unfolding with grace and ease and balance. Body is comfortable and relaxed. The mind is calm and focused, smooth. Just throughout your day, practice this breathing. Use the breath to anchor yourself into your body, anchoring your mind to the breath. Anchoring your breath into the body, anchoring your mind to the breath. Feeling more and more relaxed and at peace. Breathing slowly and easily into the nose, out through the nose. Slow, steady, rhythmic, natural breath. Feel yourself becoming more and more connected, more and more relaxed. Come back to this often. Practice this throughout your day. And practice this slow, easy breathing when you go to rest or to sleep for the evening. Be well, heal well, live well.